Who here, by show of hands, believes that within you, there's a power that is not being fully utilized yet? Who here believes that? Just taking a deep breath. And let that go. What do you get to do now that you have created this new, wonderful manifestation? Because it is all possible for you. Manifesting happens the moment all 8 of these conditions are in alignment. And that can take 20 years, or that can happen in a few moments.
Overwhelmingly positive. I can't recommend it enough. Victoria is gifted in so many ways, and she can deliver the message for personal empowerment through so many different mechanisms and tools. It's really quite phenomenal.
It solidified everything and really strengthened my focus for some really big goals that I have.
The biggest breakthrough was finally getting out of all the old limited beliefs.
All these limiting beliefs that I had, I was able to kind of overcome quite a few of them. You have been a great guide, a great mentor to all of us.
I made a lot of discoveries in meditation, and I've met some very amazing people.
I would encourage anyone to take this class because it's truly life-changing.
I came here with a mission, but I got very specific, and a lot of people in the room helped me to clarify exactly what I was looking for. I have removed several blocks already, just in the last 48 hours.
I think all your techniques are really fun, and it just conjures up energy. I mean, there's been several times over the last 2 days that I literally started shaking. Just I could feel the energy like pulsing through my face. Awesome.
It really has changed me from the core. I still probably look like the same person, but inside I'm so much more robust and strong and healthy and capable than I've ever been.
Everything was valuable in the program.
For me, it was identifying some childhood resentments that I didn't even know existed and letting them go. Yeah. Just fantastic. And of course, I'm a big fan of your voice when it comes to the meditative tapes and stuff like that. It's fantastic.
It was a very intense experience, and I feel like we were pushed to go really, really deep. I don't think I was expecting to go quite that deep, but I'm really grateful that Victoria pushed me to go to those places.
Well, my experience this weekend has been every bit as remarkable as I hoped and thought that it might be. Victoria told me that it was going to be a life-changing experience, and thus far, I think it has been.
Everything I asked for yesterday, I got. It was just everything. So I knew I was on the right path. It was in alignment.
It's just totally empowering, and I feel deeply honoured to be here.
You made it so much fun. I was afraid, oh my gosh, how am I going to do all this? Yeah. I enjoyed every bit of it.
It's been a great experience. Victoria was wonderful, and it's really nice to see her in person as well.
And remember who I am and my unlimited creativity, because sometimes I forget, and the seminar helped me remember. And I just wanted to say, Victoria, you're like the Wizard of Oz, and you give us like the Scarecrow our brains and our creativity, like the Tin Man our heart and gratitude, and like the Cowardly Lion our courage. So that's what occurred to me. I wanted to share that with you.
I really like the complaining. I really did. That was my absolute favorite part, was the complaining, because it made me realize what a whiner in my head I am and how I have to let that go. So thank you for illustrating that complaining is like whining in a different way, and to just let that go and get over myself. Decide and commit.
You have the option of going along and doing things the way you've done it before and not achieving your goals, or you can sign up for the course and you can take that step in the right direction, because you're going through a door to the other side, and it's worth it to get to the other side.